Good afternoon, sir. What are the accomplishment report of Gainsa National High School for these past few years?
Thank you, sir. For the past several years, which I'm not here pa, no. As you can see here sa ating sa table, we have here several plaque of appreciation for best implementer of Brigada Eskwela. This is during the time of Mrs. Susan Collano, the now ASDS of DepEd. We have here the Brigada Eskwela Award for year 2007, 2009, 2006, which gives them a Hall of Fame award last 2010. Okay. Aside from that, they have several accomplishments not only in the implementation of those projects but also in academics, like in National Achievement Test or in NAT. Last year or the last 2 years ago, the rank of Gainsa National School in the achievement test, in the National Achievement Test was ranked 64. But last year, it jumps from 64 to rank 7. Nakapasok sila sa top 10, which is very good. And we're hoping that this year, as we go on with our review, na sana mas maging mas mataas pa ang rank ng Gainsa National. From 7, at least makakuha ng rank 3, if not possible ang rank 1. Yay! Also, in dropout rate, it continues to decrease. Like in 2012, the dropout rate is 5.48. Now, lagyan nila itong 3.93 last year. And hopefully, bago matapos ang curriculum year, ngayon, for March, na maging itong at least maging 1% na lang ang dropout rate. This is through the encouragement, the inspiration being given by the teachers for those students na hindi mag-drop, that they continue to study, they continue to strive, na matapos nila ang high school years. Okay? Sa enrollment naman, it continues to increase. Like in 2013, the enrollment was 661, and last year it jumps to 687, almost a 2% increase din naman. And next year, hopefully, before they start the senior high school, mas mataas ang enrollment ng Gainsa National High School. All this accomplishment in academics, in the programs and projects, is through the initiative of those teachers of Gainsa National High School. They have several programs and projects not being implemented by the school, like the Gulayan sa Tahanan, last year yun, and being implemented in Yaka ngayon. The Gulayan sa Tahanan concept is for every household, maglalagay doon ng mga gulayan sa bawat tahanan. Kasi because of the limited availability of space in Gainsa National High School, wala talaga dito mapagtataniman. So ang ginawa through new innovation, ginawa ng teacher is magkakaroon na lang ng gulayan sa mga tahanan. This is being led by Ma'am Pichi yata ng TLE. Ginagawa nila, they visit the house of ng mga bata to check on the gulayan being implemented by those household. Also, they have this. We have this monthly quiz bee sa science yon. Monthly yon. At least to inspire ang mga bata na maging more competitive among each other between sections. Also, we have the peer tutorial scheme. Those teachers, nagkakaroon sila ng tandem, natuturuan nila ang one section, at least 2 or 3 sila na sabay-sabay na nagtuturo sa isang section. Yan ang isa sa mga ginagawa nila. Also, nag-join din ang Gainsa sa mga science encampment program. Not only here in Gainsa, but from other schools din. Nagjo-join din, ano. And one of the most innovative yata and advanced na teaching style na ginagawa sa Gainsa ay itong online learning. This is through the initiative of Mr. Tomo na ang ginagawa niya, yung mga bata ay ini-enroll sa isang website which is quiver.com. Ini-enroll ang mga bata at doon kumukuha ang mga bata ng mga additional input na kanilang sinasagutan within a certain period of time. Na after na masagutin nila ang mga questions doon, nagkakaroon ng assessment si Mr. Tomo through online din ang pag-assess niya ng mga which is very good. We are hoping na 100% ma-enroll ang mga bata dito sa website na yan. Kasi parang nabibigyan sila ng new idea, not only in the four corners of the classroom sila matututo, kundi among the latest technological advances na pwede lang avail through internet. Natututo sila doon. Which is the same with us, na tayo, di ba? Na hindi lang tayo sa libro natututo, kundi talagang aside from our experience, marami tayong natututunan dito sa mga technology na offer. Aside from this, we also have a regular visitation sa mga bata na pig-encourage nila na huwag mag-drop talaga. We also have a community, adapt a river. Kasi dito sa Gainsa ay laging binabaha, flood-prone. Ang ginagawa ng mga teachers natin, nag-a-adapt ng a certain section of the river, which they help clean, na maalis yung mga dumi para maging free-flowing ang tubig. Kasi kahit wala kasing bagyo dito sa Gainsa, talagang binabaha ang school during high tide. Much more kung may typhoon. Okay? We also adopt this so-called adopt a student program na kung saan ang mga bata, ang mga teachers nag-a-adapt ng 1, 2, or 3 students na kanilang ginagawang parang scholars ba. Sinusuportahan nila yung bata. Ina-adapt nila yung bata na they choose from among those indigent families. Talagang si mga TOs, tiga-adapt nila. Which you can also do pag kayo nasa DepEd na or kahit nasa ang institution kayo. You can adapt children na talagang si mga naghihirap na susuportahan mo not only in textbooks, in school supplies, siguro, sabi nga ni Nasser, pati yung lunch kuminsan pag walang kinakain yung bata kasi talagang naghihirap. Pati lunch, nililibre nila sa lunch. Nagbabaon sila na mas marami para ma-share dun sa ina-adapt nilang mga bata. Kasi ang i-adapt mo lang naman talagang mga naghihirap. Okay. We also have a regular gift-giving program. Not only during December, kundi yung iba pang mga months na may mga activities, nag-gift giving. Notable among the program of Gainsa National School, itong pagpa-project ng mga bottles. Kasi kung papansin nyo, during your months of stay here in our school, laging maraming pinapaipon ng mga bottles, which is IGP in nature. Nagpapadala ng mga bottles sa mga teachers, especially in science, and nagiging project nila yun. Eventually, alam ko nga, last year, through those bottles na, nakabili sila ng projector, which is very expensive. Mga bote lang yun ha, pero nakaipon sila ng several thousands, nakabili sila ng projector. Which is in itself nagiging pagtulong pa rin sa learning ng mga bata. Kasi mahal ang projector, di ba? Kahit nga kami, hindi ba basta-basta makakabili ng projector sa MOE. Also, we have a aside from those mga intervention, may mga Saturday review, not reviews, mga core groups na ginagawa ang mga bata para to increase the learning capacity ng mga estudyante ng Gainsa High School. Siguro marami pang ini-implement na programs dito sa Gainsa na hindi ko pa alam. But I hope that during my tenure here, my term here, I can also innovate, introduce new ideas na mas mag-increase ang performance ng Gainsa National High School. Any questions?
So far, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Again, salamat sa inyong lima. Sana mas maraming mga bata ang ma-inspire ng inyong angking talent. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.